What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the XTUOES automatic pet feeder, food dispenser pet feeder. It's automatic. It's awesome. Now, if you are the type that, always out for hours, or you let your pet roam the house, then this will be the perfect thing for you. This thing has voice recording. You might say, why do I need voice recording? Well, if you record your voice, your pet knows your voice. So when you dispense the food, you can say, hey Rover, the food is ready, or hey Mikey, the food is ready, or hey, whatever you call your dog or cat, your pet knows your voice. Alright, you guys, so I brought it closer to you. I don't know if you can read it or not, but it says scheduled feeding, voice recorder, food grade materials, dual power supply, anti-theft, don't know why you need anti-theft container design, but okay. And we have detachable for cleaning. The food size is 2 to 15 millimeter. I also seen in the description on here it says 2 to 18 millimeter of dry food. Yeah, so I will post up all of this stuff. I will compress it, put it right there for you. You can read everything, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first thing that pops up that everybody will love to have is the user manual, instruction, whatever you want to call it. This looks nice, futuristic. This thing has 2 hoppers. I know some people use 2 different type of foods at certain times. Maybe a certain food have different vitamins in it. Blase blase. So however you operate your feeding schedule with your pet, you can do all of your operations through your phone. So we will get through all that. I will try to be as quick as possible. I know sometimes when I do my app reviews, like, going over the app and stuff, the video can be long, but it's very detailed, very informative. So yeah. Also, the holidays are coming, you guys, and if you know somebody that's into, their pets or love their pets so much, this will actually probably be one of the perfect presents of the year. Okay, you guys, so from the first part where I read where it says product features, 4 AA's. So I have lights right here on the bottom that's blinking already. So I will post this up for y'all too. Special tips. I don't know if you feed your cat or dog in the bathroom, so that probably won't pertain to you. Take out the bowl. Step 1, which is you lift the back part up here. Now you take all the content out of here, which I didn't even know there was more stuff in here, but of course you need the bowl to feed your animals, right? Oh, this is the divider. Okay. Okay, you guys, you can connect to DC power also. You can also use this through DC power. All the way here, there is a USB port right there. If you are the type that don't like buying 50,000 batteries, or if you the type that don't feel like using batteries at all, plug it into the wall. All right. Oh, there you go. Wire is right here. I'm actually having fun, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all know my style review. I like being close and personal with y'all. All right, so you see the lip on the bottom. You see that? I'm gonna put it in. Lift up. This is cool. This is awesome. Get this as a Christmas present, you guys. Christmas is coming. Black Friday is coming. Make sure y'all save this video in your playlist so you don't forget about this product. This is awesome. Automatic pet feeders. All right, you guys. So when it's facing you, right, it has to go on like this. So we're gonna put it on right now, and it's in. Now it's divided. I like the interface of this. Now the first thing that pop up, or the first thing that comes to your face, is the feeder right here. I am not sure what the actual feeder indicator is, like, the part that's in the middle. I don't know if it's have an indication on if it's like green then it's full or whatnot, so I do not know yet. All right, so on the top we have feeder. So whatever you want to name your feeder, if you want to name it feeder, or Rover's feeder, or whoever's feeder, then you can name it that. All right. Now we have meal plan. Now meal plan is basically setting your schedule right here. So if you hit add, you can actually set your schedule. You have container 1 and you have container 2. All right. Now here you have feed number. So I'm assuming that's however many number of times you feed, because it don't say right here. All right, you guys. So just for the simple, front interface, it's very simple, but it's still a little bit more to it. All right. If you tap the little pencil at the top right, you have device information. So if you want the device information, you got the device information. You have tap to run and automation. It says offline notification. So if the device go offline, you can get a notification. To avoid constant reminders, a notification will be sent if the device stayed offline over 30 minutes. 8 hours for low power devices. Got it. All right. Right here you have share device. So you can share this with your wife, your husband, sister, brother, whoever you live with, your roommate. You can share the information to feed y'all pets. This is actually simple. I'm just going to use like regular dry food, you guys, but y'all got the measurements of what you can use. I am not going to go and buy a million dog foods just to see what dog food works and what dog food don't work. And in general, I might use this for my squirrels out in the backyard. Anyways, I'm just going to use some dry foods like raisins and this cereal right here, since it's only a little bit and nobody really eats this cereal. And one other thing that I forgot to tell y'all is that you could take this off and use this for their water bowl. There is not one page on the instructions that tell you how to do the voice recorder. I figured it out by myself and it took forever. Y'all know my OCD kicks in and we get right into it. When you use your speaker, the best thing to do is to lift it up and actually talk to the speaker instead of having it down. Of course, the speaker is blocked right there. When you have it up like here, the speaker is open, and that's another issue. The first time I recorded, it was down like this, and I'm just like talking like this, and the volume was low. But when I lift it up like this and actually talk through the speaker, the volume is a little bit better. So that's what we can say about that. This is how you record. You have to hold the microphone button down. Now when you hold it down, it's recording already. It won't stop recording until you hit the button again. So everything I'm saying right now, it can actually pick up on. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the record button again, and that should stop. When you hold it down, it's recording already. It won't stop recording until you hit the button again. So everything I'm saying right now, it can actually pick up on. So I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all hear the difference? Record button again. So y'all hear the difference from when it was the speaker is blocked compared to when the speaker is like on the side somewhere, so the sound can be more transparent. The sound can travel out, instead of traveling down. So that's like one con I could say, but if you're not really into the speaker, then everything I just said for the past few minutes don't pertain to you. If you're just in this for the automatic feeder, then we're about to get into action. All right, so I am about to put some dry food in. Hold it down. Food's ready. Sound kind of muffled, but I'm just gonna live with it right now. Okay, so we got the screen record on, and now once again we're back at the interface. What I'm going to do is go to container 1. Now I'm on container 1, right? what I found out was this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and all that. I didn't know what it was at first, but it's actually the rotation of your the agitator, or with the rotator. I call it an agitator, but it's the rotation of the auger. You could call it the auger too, because that's what the auger do, rotates on the inside. So it's the rotation of the auger. So if you have it on 1, it'll go zzz. If you have it on 2, it goes zzz, zzz. Okay, turned it on. Let's see what happens. Container 1. That is so cool, you guys. So this is what 1 dispensed. So it's not that much, right? Hold on, let me get y'all in a better. Alright, so that's how much 1 did. Let me take this back. Take this back up. Now I'm going to put it on 2. Container 1. I put it on container 1, but I put it on number 2. And a little bit more came out. I'm about to do 10. This is pretty cool, you guys. Food's ready. Alright, let's see what it do with this cereal. Alright, so it's actually crushing my cereal. Food's ready. This is pretty cool, you guys. Not that bad. I forgot to get to the cleaning. Lift the sides up here. So you lift that side, and then you lift this side. You take this part out. It says rinse all parts of the bin with water and air dry before installing them back in the reverse direction of removal. That's how you clean out your automatic pet feeder. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please hit me up in the comment section and I will get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.